If you're still using a basic controller in 2026, you're seriously missing out. The latest gaming controllers are faster, smarter, and more customizable than ever, giving you pro-level precision whether you're gaming on PC, Xbox, or even mobile. Today, I've rounded up the best gaming controllers of 2026 that will take your gameplay to the next level. I've tested them all across shooters, racing, and competitive titles to see which ones actually make a difference, and these 5 are the real winners. Starting off strong, we have the SCUF Envision Pro Wireless Vibe 1, a controller that's made for serious PC gamers. This isn't just another Xbox-style gamepad. It's built with 5 remappable G keys, back paddles, and instant triggers that convert from regular pulls to mouse click speed instantly. It's IQE compatible, so you can customize lighting, sensitivity, and macros with Corsair's software. The build quality feels premium. Textured grips, lightweight shell, and that responsive trigger feel that gives you milliseconds of advantage in FPS games. If you want tournament-ready performance with pro customization, this controller is easily one of the best of 2026. Next up, the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra, a true powerhouse for Xbox and PC. This controller not only performs like a dream, but also looks futuristic, with RGB lighting, a color LED dashboard, and even a charging dock that doubles as a display stand. The 30-hour battery life means you can go through marathon sessions without worrying about power. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired modes, and it's licensed for Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Windows PC, and Android. You also get Hall effect anti-drift sticks and responsive analog triggers. It's perfect for gamers who want performance and aesthetics in one device. It feels premium, looks high-end, and plays like a pro. Coming in next is the Razer Wolverine 5 3 Pro, and this one's designed for competitive players who want speed and control. It features 6 remappable buttons, fast tactile triggers, and customizable thumbsticks, all built into Razer's iconic RGB lit frame. It's licensed for Xbox and PC, and includes wired tournament mode for zero input lag during esports matches. Razer's mechanical switch technology makes every button press feel sharp, clicky, and lightning fast. The haptic feedback is responsive, and the layout feels ergonomic even during long gaming sessions. It's a top-tier choice for anyone serious about fighting games, shooters, or competitive tournaments. If you're looking for premium build quality without going wireless, the PowerA Fusion Pro 4 is a beast. It's officially licensed for Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Windows 11 PCs, featuring removable paddles, textured rubber grips, and hair trigger locks. The magnetic faceplates and removable parts make customization super easy. You get that satisfying resistance in the triggers, and the same precision found in high-end tournament controllers. But at nearly half the price, it's the perfect pick for players who prefer wired stability and zero latency for competitive gaming. And finally, for the budget-friendly gamers, the Easy SMX D10 wireless controller packs serious features for its price. It comes with anti-drift TMR joysticks, dual-mode triggers, mechanical buttons, and a 1000 Hz polling rate. That's pro-level responsiveness. You also get RGB lighting, a charging dock, and universal compatibility with PC, Switch, Android, iOS, and even the new Switch 2. It's lightweight, stylish, and surprisingly durable. For under $60, it's easily the best bang for your buck controller of 2026. All these controllers are linked below. Check out the latest prices and find the one that fits your gaming style. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next gear roundup. Thanks for watching. And remember, the right controller doesn't just change your game, it changes how good you play. See you in the next one.